The original architecture of the building was from the 1980s. A lot of it was split-face concrete, it was all gray, and it's a large portion of the building.
The main goal of the project was to redesign the large atrium at the Norfolk Southern building. The first floor was re-envisioning how the space is used and also giving it a brand new look.
The choice for the design concept, while we were embracing a new look for the building, we were also trying to pay attention to the existing architecture. It played such a large part, there was no way we could cover it up. So just sort of embrace it and select things that would be timeless and not really compete with the existing architecture and last for years to come.
Once we really got into the design, we discovered that it was really important to redo the floor.
We decided to go with the higher polish finish to allow the mother of pearl, the one-sided mirror, and the Blanco Mexicano marble aggregates to be able to shine and show their beauty.
There's a lot of design flexibility with Terrazzo. You can create anything you want. So it was a great medium for us to use to bring a level of excitement to the floor that we were also bringing to the rest of the space.